Now we have finished our demo. We are going to show you how do you properly turn off the whole system. The first step you want to do is to home all the robot to the appropriate positions. For the arms, you can click on home the arms. Make sure the arms are ready. Also, you can move the robot back to where they should roughly be, roughly around this section. Not too much over the yellow line, roughly around here so that the camera can see both the robots. Once the arms are ready, once the robots are ready, put your tablet back. And put the charger on. The second thing we want to do is to home the Kinova arm to their actual home position while they are powering off. To do so, you come to the joystick of the Kinova arms. You press the button right below the power buttons. You should see the robot go this, and then lift the button, press it again. Now this is a good position to turn off the Kinova arms. So when in this position, the arm load would actually hold the robot arms statically. So make sure the robot arms is coming to this configuration. Now let's do this for the other arms again. Press the button once, and then press it again. So this is the configuration you want to see. Now we're going to shut down the ROS system as well as all the machines. The first step is to, you can either keep it open, or should I keep it open? Or should I turn it off? Terminals.
Just go back to the main one where you launched them all.
Okay.
Yeah. It shows everything off.
Okay. Okay, let's do it again. So now we are going to turn off all the machines. That's come to and the ROS system as well. Now you just come to your main laptop, the Razer laptop, close it out this. Now just navigate to one of your terminals. Go to again device management, device management scripts. What you want to do is run all devices shutdown.bash /all devices shutdown.bash. When you click enter, make sure you are not running 6. Do not run 6. Running in the sequence of 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. That would be Dingo Base, Dingo Helper, GUI, the overhead new camera, and the main computer. So let's do 1. So we will shut down the Dingo bases. So now you should see the Dingo base is turning red. Now let's shut down the Dingo laptop. Press 2. Again, run the script again. Press 2. Now if the laptop should be shutting down, they are now turning off already. Now that's run the script again, and turn off the GUI tablet. 3, enter. So you can see the GUI tablet is shutting down. Now let's run the script again. Run number 5, which is the overhead camera nuke. You should see the nuke is shutting down as well. Finally, we are going to shutting down this laptop. Run the script again. Press number 5. Number 4. Number 4. And you should see this Razer shutting down as well. Now we are going to shut down the remaining robot parts. The first thing we want to do is shutting down the Kinova arm powers. Remember, they are separated from the Dingo base. The way to do it is simply navigate to the base of the arms. press the switch over here. You should see the robot loses the power once you switch it off. Do the same thing to the other robots as well. So they lose their power. The second thing you want to do is to shutting down the dingle bases. Again, coming to the buttons part of the dingle bases. See the powers over here, press it. So they should go off. At the same time, close your laptop. That's it. Let's do it out. Same thing for another robot. Press it. The LED stops blinking. Close your laptop. Now we successfully turning off all the machines. Finally, remember to put the covers back onto the article tags. The last thing you want to do is pull off the battery from the robots and then go and charge it at the charging stations. To do so, come up to your battery packs. You can put it on front of the tag. If you find it hard to do so, give yourself a prior, snatch it. Just remember, don't break the tag. So now you have the batteries off. Keep doing for the rest of the batteries. Now to charge your battery, take your battery to the charging stations are over here. So you can see there's an army of battery. Pick one that was already charged. For example, I think this one. So when you take a battery off, you can see the LED is off. So take your battery, put it on. So make sure you see this green lights blinking. So that means this battery is charging. If you see other lights, if you did not see the green light charging, take off the battery, put it back again. You can also unplug and plug in these cables if it's something weird. But ultimately, you want to see green LED lights blinking. That's it.